200. Essential English Sentences is designed to help learners improve step by step, starting with simple daily expressions, moving to longer and more detailed sentences, and finally reaching advanced, natural English for confident speaking. Whether you're just beginning or want to sound fluent, this series will boost your vocabulary, grammar, and confidence. Part 1. Beginner, 70 sentences. Focus, daily life, simple grammar, short and clear sentences. 1. I am a student. 2. She is my friend. 3. This is my book. 4. I live in Canada. 5. He plays football. 6. They are happy. 7. It is very hot today. 8. I like pizza. 9. She drinks water. 10. We go to school. 11. Do you like tea? 12. Yes, I do. 13. No, I don't. 14. Where is the bus stop? 15. It's near the park. 16. What is your name? 17. My name is Ali. 18. How old are you? 19. I am 20 years old. 20. I have a brother. 21. She has a cat. 22. We have 2 cars. 23. I can swim. 24. He can't dance. 25. Open the door, please. 26. Close the window, please. 27. Come here. 28. Sit down. 29. Stand up. 30. I am hungry. 31. She is tired. 32. Are you ready? 33. Yes, I am. 34. No, I'm not. 35. What time is it? 36. It's 7 o'clock. 37. Today is Monday. 38. The sun is shining. 39. I like music. 40. He plays guitar. 41. She sings well. 42. Let's go home. 43. Please help me. 44. Thank you very much. 45. You're welcome. 46. Excuse me. 47. I'm sorry. 48. That's okay. 49. This is my father. 50. This is my mother. 51. This is my friend. 52. I go to bed at 10. 53. I wake up early. 54. I brush my teeth. 55. I eat breakfast. 56. I drink coffee. 57. He studies English. 58. She reads a book. 59. We watch TV. 60. They play games. 61. I walk to school. 62. She runs fast. 63. The baby is crying. 64. The phone is ringing. 65. Don't worry. 66. Be careful. 67. Good morning. 68. Good night. 69. How are you? 70. I'm fine, thank you. Part 2. Intermediate, 65 sentences. Focus, longer sentences, connectors, past tense, future tense. 71. I went to the market yesterday. 72. She visited her grandmother last week. 73. They played football in the park. 74. Did you watch the movie? 75. Yes, I watched it. 76. No, I didn't watch it. 77. He was reading a book at 8 p.m. 78. We were playing when it started to rain. 79. I was sleeping when the phone rang. 80. She was cooking while he was watching TV. 81. I have finished my homework. 82. She has already eaten lunch. 83. They have just arrived. 84. Have you seen my keys? 85. No, I haven't. 86. Yes, I have. 87. I have never been to Paris. 88. He has lived here for 5 years. 89. We have studied English since 2020. 90. I will call you tomorrow. 91. She will travel to London next month. 92. They will play football next week. 93. I am going to buy a new phone. 94. She is going to visit her uncle. 95. What are you going to do this evening? 96. I am going to study. 97. It is raining heavily. 98. The bus is coming. 99. She is speaking on the phone. 100. I was very tired yesterday. 101. They were busy last night. 102. He wasn't at school. 103. We weren't ready. 104. Was she happy? 105. Yes, she was. 106. No, she wasn't. 107. I used to play football when I was a child. 108. He used to live in the city. 109. Did you used to have long hair? 110. Yes, I did. 111. No, I didn't. 112. If it rains, I will stay at home. 113. If I study, I will pass the exam. 114. I think English is important. 115. She believes in hard work. 116. They always arrive on time. 117. We sometimes go to the cinema. 118. He never eats junk food. 119. Do you usually wake up early? 120. Yes, I usually do. 121. No, I don't usually do. 122. I am taller than my brother. 123. This book is more interesting than that one. 124. She is the best student in the class. 125. This is the most beautiful place I have seen. 126. I enjoy reading books. 127. She likes playing piano. 128. He is interested in history. 129. We are excited about the trip. 130. I'm looking forward to meeting you. 131. She is afraid of snakes. 132. He is good at swimming. 133. I am bad at singing. 134. I don't mind waiting. 135. Let's meet tomorrow. Part 3. Advanced. 136. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. 137. She would have called you if she had known. 138. They might have forgotten the meeting. 139. He could have helped us, but he didn't. 140. I should have told you earlier. 141. By next year, I will have completed my degree. 142. She will have left before you arrive. 143. They will have been working here for 10 years by 2030. 144. I will have been studying for 3 hours by the time you come. 145. I wish I knew the answer. 146. I wish I had more free time. 147. If only I had spoken the truth. 148. He speaks English as if he were a native speaker. 149. I'd rather stay at home than go out tonight. 150. I'd prefer to drink tea instead of coffee. 151. It's high time you started studying seriously. 152. Supposing it rains, what will you do? 153. Imagine you won the lottery, what would you buy? 154. He must have forgotten my address. 155. She can't have finished the work so quickly. 156. They may have missed the train. 157. He might have left my phone at home. 158. Hardly had I reached the station when the train left. 159. No sooner had he finished speaking than the phone rang. 160. Scarcely had they started the game when it began to rain. 161. Never have I seen such a beautiful view. 162. Rarely do we get the chance to travel abroad. 163. Little did she know what was going to happen. 164. Not only was he late, but he also forgot the documents. 165. Had I known, I would have helped you. 166. Were I rich, I would travel the world. 167. Should you need any help, just call me. 168. He suggested that we should leave early. 169. It is essential that she be here on time. 170. The teacher recommended that he study harder. 171. I regret telling you the secret. 172. She denied having stolen the money. 173. He admitted breaking the vase. 174. They insisted on paying the bill. 175. She accused him of lying. 176. I look forward to hearing from you soon. 177. He is used to waking up early. 178. She got used to the cold weather. 179. They are accustomed to working long hours. 180. He had his car repaired yesterday. 181. She got her hair cut last week. 182. I had my house painted last year. 183. This book was written by Shakespeare. 184. The project will be completed next month. 185. English is spoken all over the world. 186. The letter has been sent. 187. She was invited to the party. 188. I was told the news yesterday. 189. He is said to be very rich. 190. They are believed to have left the country. 191. It is expected that prices will rise. 192. She is reported to be missing. 193. I started learning English to improve my career. 194. He studies hard in order to get good grades. 195. She went to the library so that she could read. 196. He spoke loudly so everyone could hear. 197. Although it was raining, we went outside. 198. Even though he was tired, he kept working. 199. Despite the traffic, we arrived on time. 200. In spite of the problem, she stayed calm.